Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to Cute Nails. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming nails video. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. forget to hit like button, notification bell and subscribe. Bye bye!